Hi guys, I'm Miss Nada. I'm a science and chemistry teacher, and today we are talking about the structure of the atom. And we need to know what is the meaning of atom. Atom is the smallest building unit of the matter. And what is the meaning of matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. For example, your book, your desk, your laptop, your phone, and so on. So if anything that has mass and volume is called the matter. And matter composed of the atoms. Atom similar as the brick. If you look at your house consists of some of walls, and these walls consists of bricks. So brick is the smallest building unit for your house. Okay, and look at the slide. We need to know what is in an atom. Atoms are made up of various subatomic particles, and the number of these particles equals 3, and we can differentiate between these particles by 3 characteristics. The first one, mass, the second, charge, and the last one, location in the atom. So that found in the atom, inside of it, 3 subatomic particles, and we can differentiate between them by mass, charge, and the location of the atom. Look at the first subatomic particle, protons, and the second, neutrons. Both protons and neutrons are found inside the atom, especially in the nucleus. Okay, and the third particle, electrons. So if we imagine the big circle such as this, that represent as the atom, and the small circle that found in the center of this atom represent with nucleus. Okay, so atom composed of what? Atom composed of the nucleus that found in the center of it and the electrons. Inside the nucleus, there are 2 subatomic particles. The first one called protons, and protons have a positive charge, and the second one called neutrons that have no charge. Why no charge? Because neutrons is neutral charge. This meaning what? This meaning the number of positive charge equal number of negative charge. Okay, and the third subatomic particle that is found outside of the nucleus, and it's moving in the orbit. This called what? This called with electrons, and the charge of electrons is negatively. So the 3 subatomic particles that found in the atom, what? Yes, 3 subatomic particles. The first one, protons, the second, neutrons, and the third, electrons. Okay, protons carry positive charge, neutrons neutral charge, and electrons is negatively charged. Protons and neutrons identical in size and the mass. Moving around outside the nucleus is a cloud of very tiny, this meaning very small, and carry negative charge that called with electrons. And the electrons, the mass of it is much smaller than that of a proton or neutron. Okay, so when I ask you, tell me, inside the atom, there are subatomic particles. Can you tell me the name of these particles? Yes, okay. The first one, protons, the second, neutrons, and the third, electrons. And this next table shows the properties of these particles. Protons carry positive charge, neutrons 0 because it's neutral, electron negative charge, and the mass of proton equal 1.67 times 10 power negative 27, and neutron, the mass of it equal 1.67 equal times 10 power 27. And if you look at the mass of proton equal what? Equal the mass of neutron. So the first similar between the proton and neutron, the mass of proton equal the mass of neutron. And the second property that is similar in the proton and neutron is what is the location in the atom. Proton and neutron, both of them are found inside the nucleus. So when I ask you, tell me what is the difference between proton and neutron and what are the similar between proton and neutron. The difference between proton and neutron according to the charge, and the similar between proton and neutrons, the mass and location in the atom. The third particle that called electron, the charge of it negative and the mass 9.11 times 10 power negative 31, and the location in the atom outside the nucleus. Read this definition about proton, neutron, and electron. From your conclusion, the proton is a subatomic particle that has positive charge and it's located inside the nucleus. Neutron is also subatomic particle that has no charge and it's located also inside the nucleus. And the third one, electron, is a subatomic particle that has a negative charge and it's moving around the nucleus. Okay, after that we need to know the charge of the atom. The charge of the atom is neutral. Why neutral? Because the atom consists of what? Consists of proton that carry positive charge and electron that carry negative charge, and the number of proton equal number of electrons. So the positive charge of proton cancel the negative charge of the electrons and neutrons, but neutrons is neutral. Okay, so the charge of an atom is neutral. Why? Because positive charge of nucleus cancel negative charge of electrons. So when I ask you, give a reason, the charge of an atom is neutral. Why? You should say because positive charge of proton that found inside the nucleus cancel the negative charge of electrons that revolve around the nucleus. Okay guys, thank you.